guys, hello, welcome back. So today we're doing something which is very simple. We are replacing a sky and we're putting stars on the sky. So let's get it. So I'll go to this image and I have this image, then I also have this image. So the first thing we will do is we'll try our best to remove the sky because that's what we want to focus on. We want to remove the sky, so we only have to focus on the sky and we don't care about anything else. So let's first try our tool. Okay, let's click delete. Then we'll come a bit closer. And then let's click delete. And then another thing we can do, we can go to free form. Then we go close as far as we can. Then we click delete. Then we use freeform again. Also go close here, close. Then we delete again. Then let's zoom the image. So now we are getting more close here. I'll be moving very fast, but I hope you understand what I'm doing. We can move to go to another side. Now we can zoom out, go straight to the top, we go side and double click. Now we click delete. So we click Control D to unselect. So another thing we have to do, guys, that's actually this is what I do. So you click the whole image, click Control A, you click Control C. Then you go to your free space. Maybe here you click Control Paste. This is a proof that we didn't select the image. You click Control C. Okay. This is what appeared. Then we have to go to the sky. You click Control A, Control C. Then you go to the image. Click Control, you click Control V. Select the wall. Put it like this. Inside, just make the image with the stars to be big. Then you click Control A. Then you click Control C. Then go back to paste as new. We won't need this one because the sky will be small. It automatically just go to the close to the nearest point of the image and automatically delete the place without an image, so we don't need it anymore. So but what we can do, we can we can use this image and remove the overlay image and only focus to the image without sorry guys, I had to stop it. So what we will do, this image is just a clean blank image with just the stars, and without the stars, where we remove only the sky. You click Control A, then you click Control C. After copying the image, you go straight to the image with stars. You click Control, you click V. Then you can resize the image and put it to the right position. That's what I mean. And then another thing that we can do, uh, we can decrease the sharpness, but the image is still loading. I don't know why is it taking so long. Okay, finally can make it a little big. Okay, then you can go to sharpness, and we are usually like to put it on 95, but let's get it to 93 right now. Then guys, you can see the sky is replaced. The sky is so amazing, and it just blended because the mountain is icy and the sky is blue. um for me, I feel like I don't have to boost. I usually boost the images after like I edited, but today I don't feel like boosting the image, but instead we can just put you just can just put a little bit of vintage and decrease the amount, and let's put it on 30 to 35. Let's get it to 30. I think 30 is okay. Guys, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is how, guys, where we replace the image, it will replace the sky. This is a sky replacement using NCH Photopad. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you remove a sky, you replace the sky using NCH software. NCH software is one of the best software. I've been telling you this, guys. Please let me on the comment section and tell me why you'll love me to show you. This is how you replace a sky. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please play the song, which will be please click the first link on the comment section. I'll play an ad of a song at the end of this video. Please check the song out. The link is on the description. The first link on the comment section. The first link on the description. Whatever. Thank you so much.